So in the last video we were able to add this login logic for the admin. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to call this admin.php script inside the admin logic.php. But first we need to make this error1 and error2 variables to be global. So we set them here to be global error1 error2. Now the next thing we need to do is we go to the admin logic to get them. But before that, here the logic here is still the same as the one we've used before. We are getting the values from the form, cleaning it with MySQL real escape string. Then we select the admin email and login from the admin table in the database. Then we fetch them using this MySQL fetch array. We are not using a while loop because we just have one value. Then we store it inside this admin email and the password. Here we are checking if the form field for the admin email and admin password, they are not empty. Then this if statement is if the email the user is inputting is equal to the email that is retrieved from the table, and the password the user is inputting is equal to the password that is being retrieved from the table, then we direct the user to the dash or the admin to the dashboard.php. Then we save the admin email in a session. If that is not the case, then we display this error. Also, if the form fields are empty and the user or the admin tries to log in, we display this error message. So we go to the admin login. Here at the top, we're going to add the admin.php. So we use include and we go into the admin underscore scripts, then admin.php. So we have this admin.php now inside our admin login file. The next thing we need to do is we just call the error message. We can do it here or we can do it inside the form, whichever place you want to display it. So PHP, we echo, it will be error1, then we display this error2. So we have the error. The next thing is we create the dashboard.php file. Create a new file. We'll delete this. So inside the admin root folder, we create dashboard.php. So we can just display the admin session variables, or just leave it the way it is. So we go out to the browser to log in the admin. So before we finally test this out, let's go to our database. We go to our database, then we just insert the same email and password. So we go into our database, which has admin, then the password, then we can just click on go to browse, then we have the email and the password. So what you're going to do is, after writing the logic, go to your admin table and insert the data. Just click on insert. It will populate the email field and the password field with the default email and password. Then you click on go. So it will add it to the table. It will insert the data into the table. So after this, we can then test our admin login. So go to our browser, we refresh, then we log in. So admin crowd, and now we can see that the admin has been successfully logged in. Now we've gone to the admin dashboard.php page. So if we go back and try to refresh, try to submit an empty form, it's going to say email and password fields cannot be empty. And when we try to submit data that's not in the database, it's going to say admin login credentials are invalid. So for this, we have server-side validation. So we've been able to create the admin login, whereby the admin can log in to the dashboard. So next, in this dashboard, we are going to add the elements to display different links and also a nav bar for the admin login. I'll see you in the next video.